All right, so I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks for headliners. There's a few things, there's just so many things to show in these. I was going to do a video of putting one in, but it's like there's so many things that happen that are different on every one of them. What I try to do sometimes is to get them to fit. Sometimes they don't fit right, so I have to cut this part back because it's just not made to the exact specification that we were supposed to be. So in this case, I cut it back a little bit too far, and when I was pulling it in, it would wrinkle in the corners. So if you sometimes I'm just letting you guys know, sometimes you end up cutting it back a little bit to get it to meet the arc, going across, and then sometimes you need it to go all the way into the corners and then work its way down. It's weird. It just depends on the car and the headliner, and just how it goes in. So one of the things I do is I always have some of this from Harbor Freight Tools. They have this stainless steel wire, and if you just happen to have cut it back too far, don't panic. Don't go take the whole thing out and throw it away or go down and get another one. All you need to do is just take your wire and then thread it through here again, and then it'll be like this side here where I just threaded some wire back through, and then it'll be up further to the corner so that it'll meet the arc that you need. It's like these things are never perfect exactly in the right place, and for some reason, like I said, it's car specific and also the headliner specific, like especially on buses. If you're doing a bus, almost every bus you have to cut this back a little bit, or you're going, man, how come it doesn't tuck into the corner? It's like too narrow. And some guys go, well, you got to heat it up. Well, then you heat it up too hot, and then it ruins the headliner. Sometimes just cutting these things back a little bit solves a problem on the bus, and sometimes it does in the bug. So in this case, I cut them back a little bit too far, and I'm gonna have to sew them back up. So versus sewing them back, take the whole headliner out, sew it back up. You just take some wire, thread it in there like stitch it, and pull it back up into place. Talk to you guys in the next video.